Hello! So we are here sa state capital ng Oklahoma. Ayan, ang ganda. So ayan, at on the way tayo sa Oklahoma. Actually galing kami ng Arkansas dahil nga nagstay kami doon sa sister-in-law ko. So ngayon at pauwi na tayo ng California, kaya dumaan muna kami dito since along the way lang naman siya para makita din natin ito, no? So nagstay lang kami dito ng one night and then umalis na din kami after. But anyway, ito yung Oklahoma State Capitol. So, itong state capital na ito, ito yung pangalawang state capital kasi ang unang state capital ng Oklahoma ay nasa Guthrie, Oklahoma, pero minove nila ito sa Oklahoma City noong 1910. So, ang construction nitong Oklahoma State Capitol is nag-start noong 1914 at natapos ito noong 1917. Originally, it housed the judicial branch ng Oklahoma, pero yung State High Court, minob nila ang kanilang mga operation doon sa Oklahoma Judicial Center noong 2011, leaving only the Supreme Court hearing chamber in the Capitol building. So, itong Oklahoma State Capitol, it is the house of the government of the U.S. states of Oklahoma. It is the building that houses the Oklahoma legislature and executive branch offices. It is located along Lincoln Boulevard in Oklahoma City, and it contains 452,508 square feet of a floor area. The present structure includes a dome completed in 2002. So, kung mapapansin mo, sa taas ng dome, merong itong nakalagay na statue, which is yung The Guardian. It embodies the diversity within the proud and strong population of Oklahoma while serving as a reminder of our tumultuous times. Tapos yung sculpture, it signifies the thousands of Native Americans that were forced from their home during the 1800s and the sons and daughters that survived the devastating Dust Bowl. Yung Dust Bowl na tinatawag nila, ito yung severe storm na umabot ng dekada noong 1930s that hit the Great Plains and Texas. Ito yung combination ng drought, poor farming practices at saka yung lack of grass. So sa loob ng State Capitol, they offer incredible one-of-a-kind experience in art and history. So walk-up tours available every weekdays from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. So no need reservation, So by the time na dumating kami dito ay hapon na, so hindi na kami maka-avail nung tour, kaya umikot na lang kami dito sa labas. Anyway, parking area is free, tapos very spacious yung area nila. So marami kang pagpipilian actually, unless meron silang mga event dito, kaya expected mo syempre baka mapuno yung parking area nila. Unlike sa ibang state capital, yung parking area nila maliit lang plus may bayad pa, dito wala kang bayad. So ayan at mag-ikot-ikot lang muna tayo within the area. So, ayan na nga, no, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami dito and then after natin mag-ikot, nag-drive around din kami sa area para makita natin yung ibang side nito, no? Kasi nga, medyo mahaba-haba yung lalakarin mo if hindi ka mag-drive. So, ayan, nag-decide na lang kami na mag-ikot. And then after nito ay pupunta tayo sa Swordtail Park, ano. So, yun lang, kwento ko lang. Bye-bye and thanks for watching.